What's going on, everybody? Welcome to our digs. Sorry about the mess. We just got in, and so we had to leave some stuff out. But I just wanted to give a small tour. And the reason I wanted to give a small tour is because this is my wife's parents' house. So I was thinking to myself, what is something interesting that I can bring to the table? Because whenever a tourist comes to Japan and makes a vlog, it's going to be, wow, look at this weird sushi. I'm gonna taste this thing, I'm gonna taste this thing. And I'm incriminating myself because I already did that, but that ramen was really good. But I think to myself, what is something that I can bring to the table? I have a unique experience here in Japan because whenever I come here, I stay at my wife's parents' place, and my wife's parents are just like an average middle-class Japanese family. What does the house of a middle-income Japanese family look like? I'm going to show you a few things that I find interesting about this house coming from America and being familiar with American houses. I'm going to show you a few things that I notice right off the bat whenever I'm here, and some of the things that I find interesting. So to begin with, one thing I notice about Japan is the copious amounts of closet space. So in America, our closets typically, especially for like a middle income house, are not that big. At least in the house that I grew up in, the closets are not very big. But these closets, they go about 3 to 4 feet back, and then they're pretty wide. And they're pretty tall. So you have all this space up here for storage, all the hangers for your clothes, and then below this you have more storage space for boxes of old clothes or summer clothes or winter clothes. So that's one closet. And then the second closet is somebody wanted ranch, so we grabbed some ranch to bring as a gift. Best gift ever. The second closet, specifically, same dimensions inside, same depth, same everything, except this now has a shelf for keeping these futons and blankets on. Anyway, that's closet space. There's a lot of closet space in Japanese houses. There are closets in every room, I think. So here's a closet. This closet is super, like, goes way back. This could honestly be its own room. So this is a whole closet. And in this room, this is where I have my scuffed office set up right now. But this room also has closets. Same layout as the other ones. You have the shelf closet and then the clothes closet. Another room. This is the gym, although there's like 2 pieces of equipment. That's not a piece of equipment, that's a scale. There's this piece of equipment and then the stair stepper and then 1 5-kilogram weight. But again, more closet space here. And it's, again, the same layout. Shelf and clothes. Famous Japanese toilets, obviously. This is a very small space, but you have your back bidet, front bidet, stop it. Yeah, cushion, not sure how I feel about this. But it does keep you warm, and this bathroom is cold, so have to leave the door open because apparently the pipes froze. Okay, so go downstairs, and you have the entryway, typical Japanese entrance. Alright, don't you love GoPro as a product? I love it when my GoPro just shuts down right in the middle of filming. So as I was saying, this is the separated space between the outside and the inside of the house where you leave your shoes before you come into the house. And behind me, there's more pantry space, storage space. There's some more here as well. There's a Doberman, a wooden Doberman under the house. And then we have in here another toilet separated from everything, also with the little fuzzies for your butt. Then my actual favorite aspect of the Japanese home, the shower bathroom. So this is the washing area, washing machine, water heater, hot water heater, and a little sink. But then behind this door is the shower tub. So this is all one unit. This basin and the tub is all one unit. And what happens is you take a shower, you wash everything off, and then you get into a preheated tub. And the tub, with this little device right here, recirculates the water so that it stays hot. And unlike an American tub system, you don't have to keep refilling with hot water because the water just recirculates and stays warm. If I ever build a house, even back in the United States, I'm going to make sure to implement this because it's just a great idea. I love it. I take a bath every couple days whenever we're staying here because I love it so much. But yeah, that's my favorite aspect of the Japanese bathroom. Okay, so it's the next day. The kitchen living room area was pretty busy. As you can see, I'm in different clothes. But everyone's gone now, so we can do a tour of the rest of the downstairs. So here you have your living room, couch, you have a heated rug, and then the heated, this thing. You can put your feet under there, stay warm. And nice little shed out there. You can barbecue and stuff in that in the summer. Some dishes here, you got nice sake sipping stuff. But that's not what we're interested in. We're interested in kitchens. So, big difference is countertop. It's, I don't think I've ever seen anything like this in the States. It's just some plastic, like composite thing. And obviously this is like all one piece, including the sink. The sink, you can see there's no like seam or anything. It's all one piece. As you can see, this is one big piece of furniture that everything gets stored in. So there's no closet space built into the wall here. Now, where there is storage space is beneath our feet. So, if we open this up, this is a little area that you can keep all sorts of stuff in here. The interesting thing about these underground areas is that they are not insulated. So it's actually super cold down in here. So you can keep like fruits, vegetables, things like that in both the winter and the summer. And it'll stay cold and it'll stay fresh. We have another one right here. And this one is actually really cool because, pop this open, this actually has several storage compartments. So, have this plastic container, and you can see it's like an insulated, almost like a cooler system. But that's not the only one, because this slides. I got one more here, and it slides again, and you got the last one here. So it's actually super cool. a super cool storage system where it just is on a conveyor down below, and you can slide it back and forth, and that creates more storage space in the floor. Now, obviously, you're giving up some space because there's no basement, but that's fine because you've got a compartment in your floor that you can store stuff in, and you can walk on it no problem. You're not going to break it, most likely. But that's the Japanese kitchen. My favorite part of the Japanese kitchen is the dishwasher that broke like 15 years ago, and so they don't use it as a dishwasher anymore. They just use it as storage. But that's my in-laws. So. Okay, so the last part of the house is the part attached to the living room, and it's just another room. At one point it was an office. And as you can see, there's more storage space here, 2 closets, and what would normally be where you put your Shinto shrine and stuff, but no Shinto here. So lastly is my in-laws' bedroom. They moved down here like, I don't know, a couple years ago. I'm not allowed to go in, but I'll do a sneaky peek. There's nobody home, so don't worry. But, yeah, that's the bedroom. POV, you're living in a middle-class Japanese family's home. Not too much different. There's a lot of familiar things. There are some quirks to the construction. There are some quirks to the design of certain things, and that will vary from family to family. But, yeah, it's always comfy coming here and staying with the in-laws. But yeah, anyway, that's what living in a middle-class Japanese house is like. If you have any more questions about the house or about the build, anything I could possibly answer, make sure to comment it below. But if not, I will see you in our next video.